My dad grew up in Lake, Groningen. Then they moved to Zwolle for some reason. They built a hotel in Zwolle, op de Veemarkt, on the, what's that called in English? The abattoir, the cattle market, okay? Livestock.
Livestock, yeah.
Livestock, right? Anyways, they built a hotel there, which was a kosher hotel to begin with, and which meant that Jewish farmers would come there with their cows and horses and do trade. During the war, the hotel was occupied by the Nazis, and then after the war, my dad came and claimed the hotel again. There was it was a hotel that was that depended on the stock, the livestock exchange, and there was a market every Friday for cattle and sheep, and every second or third or once a month there was also a horse trading market. So my brother and I would, on Thursdays, when the horse trading thing was on, my brother and, we would come, and these people would appear in the hotel. They drank, got drunk, or whatever. And my only memory of that was, the most strongest memory I have of the horse trading thing was, that was a very, very rough crowd. And I seem to remember always walking into a fight. There was always some kind of fisticuffs going on, right? Which I suppose my dad had to arbitrate or whatever, but these guys were rough people. But there was also, on the Jewish connection there, was that there was a Jewish, obviously as a remnant from before the war, there were Jewish cattle traders. And people who made a living from the cattle trade. I remember there was one guy who would sharpen cows' horns or clean them or whatever, and that's how he made his living. That's what he did. This is very old kind of way to make a living, right? Yeah. So that's the Jewish connection with with the market. And there were the traders.